Sorry about that, guys, but, well, if I didn't go to the toilet, let's just say something very bad would have happened. So, I had to pretty much pause the recording and the video and the game and all that sort of stuff. But, it's all good now. It's all good. I drained it all out. So let's carry on with everything, shall we? First things first, let's do stealth scan. Right. So I've got to sell a high potion now. Item. Arrange, auto, and high potion. There we go. Now I can buy it off him. Purchase. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We'll get that treasure chest later. So back out we go. Yesterday, and that's a planet. What was that? Mother Terror. How can you read that? Right, there's some more items. Let's go down. Let's check what's down the way. Power vest, what's that? Half and P is almost on 5, so that's good. Well, may as well take concentrate off while I'm here. Give her auto regain. Seems like everyone needs auto regain. Right. It worked. Ancient ship, oldest in history. I think that's the Invincible. I think. The ship for shipbuilding technology primitive. I have no idea what that is. Invincible prototype failure. How nice. The first battleship. Improved version currently in use. Crap, wrong way. I really don't like bits in the game where it's like that, where it doesn't give you like a good enough camera angle, so you're always like running into the wall and it's slowing you down dramatically. Well, not dramatically, drastically, I should say. Right, steel items, soft. Mirror, yeah, I wasn't quick enough, how about that? Oh, that's only Vivi. We'll kill Vivi. epitaph. I'm Vivi. No, you're not. Silly fool. Stole a power dot. Okay. Bye, Vivi. Let's revive Vivi. Phoenix down. A potion. Right, let's see here. It's gone. Whoa. Hello, Terra. Where'd it go? Come on, work your damn thing. At first, the city flourished. Soon began to decline. At its peak, cities all over Terra. Then the decline began, and soon only one was left. Down or up? Yeah, we'll go down. I don't exactly know where up takes us. Oh well. Probably takes us to a dead end knowing our luck, I think. Hello, Garuda. My, aren't you so easy to kill? Stole some ore. Okie dokie. Ore's not really all that for me, like, but, well, you know, I'm happy with it. Yeah, I'm happy with it. How's it still alive? Maelstrom. I don't like the sound of that. Oh boy. What the fuck? How did that basically kill Dagger? Unless like that's the actual effect of the attack. That still seemed a little OP though, to be honest. Oh well, at least Dagger's learning all her abilities now. We'll give her the Fifen. And away we go. What I feel on the top of that little area I was in just actually led me through that orange door. Oh well, nothing I can do about that now. What is this place? What a weird room. Look at all the faces. Percent, triangle, square, infinity, star, plus, X. Friend or foe? What is saying something? Visitors, climb atop the stone. Okay. Well, let's go.